Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll guide you step by step on how to set up Outline VPN on your Android device. Outline VPN is a powerful tool that allows you to connect to a private and secure server, ensuring safer and more. Whether you're new to VPNs or just looking for a reliable setup, this guide is for you. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type Outline VPN and press Enter. Now, tap on the official Outline VPN app from the search results, hit the Install button and wait for the app to finish downloading and installing. Once installed, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. Now we need an access key to connect to a VPN server. Leave the Outline app for now, and open any browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom, and tap on the official website from the results. On the home page, tap the menu icon, usually found in the top right corner. From the menu, select SSH servers, and then choose Outline VPN server. On the Outline VPN page, scroll down and you'll find the access key. Tap and hold to copy the key to your clipboard. Step 3. Now, go back to the Outline VPN app. On the home screen, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. When the new window appears, paste the access key you just copied. Then tap Add Server or Save. Step 4. With the server added, you're ready to connect. Just tap the Connect button on the main screen of the app. Within a few seconds, you should be connected to the VPN, and your internet activity will now be encrypted and protected. Step 5. To confirm the VPN is working, return to the UDP Custom website and look for the option that says Check My IP. Tap it, and if your IP address has changed, that means you're securely connected. And that's it. You've successfully set up Outline VPN on your Android device. Now you can browse the internet with enhanced privacy and security. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tech guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.